TransUnion versus FICO score. Which credit score is more important? Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which credit score is more important, TransUnion or FICO score. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So, beginning with TransUnion. TransUnion offers comprehensive credit monitoring services, provides identity theft protection and recovery services, features an intuitive and easy to use platform, known for providing accurate and up to date credit information, allows free annual credit reports, monthly subscription fees for premium services. Some users report issues with the dispute resolution process. Past incidents of data breaches can cause concern. Now, let's come towards FICO score. FICO score is the most widely used credit score by lenders, highly predictive of future credit risk. Various versions tailored for different types of lending. Clear criteria for score calculation. Significant influence on credit approval and terms. Somehow, it often requires payment to access your FICO score. Multiple versions can be confusing for consumers. Does not provide credit monitoring or identity protection services. Choosing between TransUnion and FICO score in 2024 depends on what you prioritize. TransUnion excels with its user-friendly interface, accurate data, and comprehensive monitoring services. FICO score, on the other hand, is widely used by lenders and highly predictive of future credit risk, playing a significant role in credit approval and terms. Consider your needs for monitoring, protection, and influence on lending decisions to determine which score is more important for your financial goals. That's all for this video.